Mahayuti cabinet takes oath. Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Ministers have hinted at a rotational cabinet. Several new faces were inducted into the Council of Ministers in Maharashtra. A total of 39 ministers took the oath today, including 19 BJP MLAs, 11 Shiv Sena members and 9 NCP leaders. Following the cabinet expansion, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said there's a performance audit of mantris that's going to be done, in which only the hard-working mantris will be appreciated. And Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has revealed that each minister will get 2.5 years of term and Mahayuti government will follow perform or perish formula. Before the oath ceremony, Ajit Pawar also hinted at a rotation of ministers within the alliance after 2.5 years. Meanwhile, resentment brews among MLA. Shiv Sena MLA Narendra Bhondekar has resigned from his post, expressing dissatisfaction over not being offered a ministerial position.
उसमें से आधा तो हम करने वाले हैं, यानी क्या करने वाले हैं, हम परफॉर्मेंस ऑडिट ये निश्चित रूप से हर मंत्री का करेंगे और परफॉर्मेंस ऑडिट में जहां ये ध्यान में आएगा कि मंत्री उचित काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, उस समय उस मंत्री का पुनर्विचार किया जाएगा.
आणि म्हणून आम्ही एक पक्षाचा एक निर्णय घेतलाय. 2.5 वर्षाचं मंत्रीपद जो काम करेल तो पुढे जाईल, जो परफॉर्म करेल त्याला संधी मिळेल आणि त्याच्यात आपण म्हणतो ना काय इंग्रजीमध्ये परफॉर्म और पेरिश, त्याच्यामुळे जो परफॉर्म करेल तो पुढे जाईल.
Alright, so now this is made clear by the Deputy Chief Ministers and the Chief Minister that if you have managed to get an opportunity to get a ministerial position, don't take it for granted. Given that this is going to be rotational after 2.5 years, there will be an assessment. So you need to work hard to ensure that you continue with this post for this entire term. Vidya getting in more details. Vidya, give us a sense of why this has been done this time around. You know, we've heard of Chief Ministers and Deputy Chief Ministers on a rotation, but the ministers on rotation. And so, well spelt out. Why so?
We have to give it to them that the fact that they have been trying to make sure that everyone gets their part, and almost every person who's in the party will get some or the other. Though they had said that they will not be taking in tainted ministers, people who have cases against them. But then at this juncture, they have decided that it will be rolled on so that everyone gets a chance, at some point.
All right, Vidya getting in those details. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. So everybody should be getting an opportunity. Everybody should be getting a chance is what the refrain of the top leadership of the government is. The Chief Minister said this and so have his 2 deputies.